Hi guys, Doc Box here again. So I'm stuck here in South Traffic, Alabang, Muntinlupa, Las Piñas area because I'm going to Robinson's Las Piñas for the renewal of my license. Okay, my professional license. Okay, so as you all know, the renewal of license occurs every 3 years. So this is my deadline, and yeah, almost near Robinson's Las Piñas. So in this vlog, I'm gonna take you some of the step by step, the newest way to renew our license, which is online now. So it's very easy to do. So gonna show you the steps later, and yeah, I'm gonna also take you a tour to Robinson's Las Piñas, so and how to get our license. So let it go. Okay, so this is now the step-by-step procedure on how to renew your license online. So go first to LERIS, their new PRC government website. Okay, and okay, there's a reminder that you have to submit CPDs up until December 2020. Okay, so here you can actually now apply for exams. Okay, for board exams. When you pass a boards, you can have initial registration already, renew license of course, and create duplicates. Okay, so you have to register first with your email. Okay, and when you sign in, okay, when you sign in, you'll be asked to upload your picture, which is will be the one to be appearing on your ID. So excuse me for my picture. So this is the best that I've got. Okay, so there's an existing transaction. You can actually choose to pay with credit card through PayMaya or directly at the regional office. Okay, so word of advice, if going to go to the satellite offices, you have to book months, at least 2 to 3 months in advance, because there are some satellite offices that are always fully booked, just like in Robinsons Santa Rosa and Robinsons Las Marinas. Okay, I'm from Laguna, but I have to go to Las Piñas, okay, just to register or have my slot booked. Okay, so now I have my license renewed. So how's the process? So it was fast. Okay, the travel time from Laguna to Las Piñas is much longer than the time that I have waited for my card. Okay, since compliance for CPD is up until December this year. Okay, so they're not actually asking you for your units. Okay, I brought my CPD certificates already, and you didn't even ask for it. Okay, I just submitted that form. You wait for 5 minutes, and boom. Okay, the ID was printed already. So I actually asked the counter, yun na yun. Okay, so yeah, it was fast and easy. Online services are much better nowadays. Okay, so yeah, so I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, so thank you very much. Doc Box here, signing off. Peace.